Hey everyone! This morning, the little bub is happily playing with his cousin. He's really into bubbles right now and they're just enjoying the morning sun. This morning, I'm having some Ovaltine since it's said to boost breast milk production. Or is it just my excuse to have some hot cocoa? Now it's time to get some work done. I'm just hanging up some laundry that hasn't been hung up since last night. Yikes. I super duper hate hanging up sheets, so I definitely need a water break. After a good sip, it's time to do some laundry. This is how I deal with my son's endless piles of laundry. After use, especially when there's been a number two, I spray the cloth diapers down with a hose and seep them with detergent. I spray down the inserts too, but hang them dry since they should always be kept dry most of the time, unless it's in use, of course, to maintain the absorption on point. Wow, Sven! Cook, cook! Wow! Gisa mo maayos yan. Yes, it's hot. This is the silicone breast pump that I'm going to be using. My son just breastfed from my left boob, and I'll be using this on my right just to deflate it a bit kasi my other boob is feeling a bit full and he fell asleep already before having the next boob, so I'll show you what's included in this box. So I've already sterilized this, and this is the pouch for the pump, and it also has this stopper. This is super helpful actually. And even if it already has a cover like this makes you feel extra safe na your milk won't spill, so it really suctions on there, so even if you drop it like that, the milk won't spill. And this is one thing that I really like about Naturebond. They have this pump strap. I've never seen other silicone pumps with this kind of feature, so I'm gonna try this today. Yeah, I like it. It's like leather and super classy with the gold hardware, and the instructions here. Yeah, I've never tried Naturebond brand before, but I've heard so many good things. Yeah, this is how it's gonna go on me, because I'm not really gonna show you how I actually do it. And yeah, you suction it on your boob, and it has to go straight into your nipple, not smashed or anything. It has to go directly to the hole here. It has to go directly on here, not smashed here or anything on the sides. It has to go directly straight to your nipple, and you suction it on, and when you release, it will suction onto your boob. It will stay still. But then sometimes I've experienced with other silicone pumps that they suction back out and then release, because that's how you release technically. So this is really interesting, the strap. So it's really safe, and it won't spill, because I've experienced that I stood up or my son kicks it, and then it suctions out and then it spills. So here I'm going to try this with the strap. So this is how the strap will go on the pump. There's the strap right there. Super safe. It's actually really interesting while I'm reading this manual. I used to do this, and medyo nahirapan lang ako, but this one is really how it suctions on really well. So you're going to flip this, and then I also suction pa rin. So if I flip it like this, oops. If I flip it like this, I still suction here below. So yan, medyo mahirap siya. You can do it with 2 hands, especially if you're not holding baby anymore, like I'm gonna do right now, because I really want to focus on trying it out. And release, and then it will release, and it will suck on your boob. And this one, I haven't done this. I'm not really familiar with this, na you will pinch it so you can put it in a bottle or in a breast milk bag. Really interesting. I will have to try that, because hirap na hirap ako mag-balance because of the wide mouth. So parang I tried to really angle it well, but if you do this nga naman, that's better. And there, this is the one I was explaining, that it won't spill if you use the stopper. So I love this pack because it has everything. You have the strap, the pump, and the stopper all in one box, one set. Okay. And then this is the one I was explaining about, the strap. There. So nice. And this is the social media of Naturebond. Yeah, it's Naturebond_international. That's on Instagram, and on Facebook they also have Facebook. So let's try this out. So I was attempting to connect this to the pump strap. So I was confused because there was like a little hole here and then an adjustable gold hardware thing here. So what you do is just you loosen it up and put this through this hole. Since it's adjustable, it will be exactly what you need, so it's really safe there, right there. See, you can adjust it, tighter. There we go. On my neck, and currently nagda-drop na yung milk ko from my other breast that my son wasn't able to drink from before he went to bed. So there, it's working perfectly. I'm just trying to show you the lower part. I don't want to have a nip slip there, but yan siya. I'm just shaking it so you could see the milk dripping. I love it. So convenient. And then I can just re-squeeze. And then there. I'm not really expecting much because my son is already 2 years old, so and nag-deflate siya, so I can just re-suction it. But the good thing about I have this strap, so I won't be so scared na malaglag siya or I lose this milk. So this is what I got. Not much, and I'm still wearing the strap. And before I spill this, I have to put the stopper. Okay, so the stopper's there, suction down. Let's make sure. Okay, so this is what I got. Not much, and let's try if tatapon siya. No spills. Yay! So happy.